In today's video, I will go over 11 plush stuffed animals that I sold within the last month or two on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. I paid anywhere from 25 cents each up to $3 for these stuffed toys. Now let's get started. My name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years. However, I do make great sales on Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. And now let's see some of the plush I've sold on those sites. Okay, so we'll start on eBay. I sold this new with tag Beetlejuice animated doll. I paid $1 for it at Goodwill. It sold for $29.99 plus $7 shipping. It sold within 2 weeks of listing. He still has the tag attached. I did put batteries in him and showed him actually working in the video below in the description. I will link this YouTube short above, but I do make videos of these animated products just so the buyer knows what they're getting. So my profit on this Beetlejuice doll was $18.89. Again, this sold after Halloween in January. Next item is a FAO Schwartz baby deer. I've had this listed for about 6 months. It sold in January, so after Christmas. It sold for $15 plus $12 shipping, so the buyer was $27 all in. I paid $2 for this at a garage sale, so my profit $9.20. I probably will not seek out these FAO Schwartz plush again. I thought, again, it being a baby deer around Christmas, that it would sell, but I was wrong. It took about 6 months to sell. The next item is an animated Valentine musical doll from Dandy. This is what that tag looks like. These Dandy plush can be hit or miss. This one was battery operated and it did sing and dance. It played Wild Thing. So I thought with Valentine's Day right around the corner that it would sell, and it did. Again, I made a video of it in action, and I will link that YouTube short above. I paid $1 for this at Goodwill. I accepted an offer of $12 plus $7 shipping. We were getting close to Valentine's Day. This was at the end of January. So my profit on this Dandy animated doll was $9.25. The next item was a Boyd's bear, also new with tag. It's a birthday themed bear. This one I've had going on 6 months. I paid 25 cents for this at Goodwill. I finally accepted an offer of $7 plus $7 shipping, so the buyer was $14 all in on this. My profit on this birthday bear was $8.06. Again, these Boyd's bears can be hit or miss. I did take a chance on this, but after I'd had it sitting for 6 months, I went ahead and accepted the offer. Next is a Build-A-Bear swimsuit outfit. I purchased several of these at a garage sale for $1 each. This is a 2-piece swimsuit with the swimsuit and the skirt. I accepted an offer of $11.33 plus $7 shipping. So my profit on this Build-A-Bear outfit, $11.47. Now I do have several other outfits available. Like I said, I did pick up a lot of these at a garage sale last summer. So if you're interested in Build-A-Bear clothing, I will put a link to my eBay store in the description below. How y'all doing? Do you like this type of content? I love selling plush stuffed animals across all platforms. If you love it too, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like this type of video. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. You can also follow me on Instagram at piece.of.scrap. I post a lot of my what sold items on Instagram. and I do communicate with fellow resellers over there. So go ahead and check it out. I will have a link to my Instagram account in the description below. Next, we'll hop over to Facebook. These Hallmark plush are collectibles. This is the third one that I've sold this year. I paid $2 for it at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price of $50, plus the buyer did pay shipping. This sold within 10 days of listing. This one played music and lit up. I believe this is a rare one because he is playing the piano. So my profit, when it was all said and done, as you may know, the fees on Facebook are cheaper than any other platform. I only paid $3.22 in fees. So my profit was $55.08 on this Hallmark piano playing snowman. Next, we'll jump over to Poshmark. I sold a Jellycat. Now, usually these Jellycat plush sell very well and quick. This one, for some reason, took a while to sell, over a year. I paid 25 cents for this at Goodwill. I finally accepted an offer of $12 on Poshmark. So my profit on this Jellycat was $7.30. This one, for some reason, just sat and sat. Now, I have had success selling other ones, but this line, for whatever reason, took a while to sell. I had one sell on mercari. This is a panda bear, new with tag from Aurora World. These Aurora plush also sell fairly well for me. He was new with tags. I paid 25 cents for him at Goodwill. The buyer paid my full price of $27. So my profit on the panda bear was $22.97. This is the Aurora World. Next, I had a few sales over on Amazon. This is a Disney Monsters Mike stuffed plush animal. He sold for $49.12 plus $4.99 shipping. I paid $3 for him at Goodwill. This is what he looks like. He was a fairly big plush. I paid $8.79 priority shipping, so I did lose about $4 on the ship charge, but when the buyer paid $49 for a stuffed toy, my profit was still $33.21. Next, I sold a puppet from Cascade Toys. This was a porcupine. I paid $1 for it. It did take about 2 years to sell, but it did sell on Amazon for $19.12 plus $4.99 shipping. So my profit, when it was all said and done, was $14.05. This is what he looks like. Again, he was new with tags from Cascade Toys, and some of these puppets do sell for quite a bit of money. And the last item on Amazon that sold was a Cincy Buddy. This one, Bubbles the Octopus. I paid 25 cents for him at Goodwill. He sold for $31.12, and the buyer did pay $4.99 shipping. So my profit on this Cincy Buddy, $29.45. I just shared with you 11 plush stuffed animals that I sold within the last 2 months. Now let's take a closer look at the numbers. Sales plus shipping on the 11 plush stuffed toys was $329. I paid $12.50 for all of them. The fees across all platforms was $46.57. The actual shipping charge that I paid, $51.45. So that leaves me a net profit on the 11 plush stuffed animals of $218.93. Now this is pre-tax. I will have to account for this income and pay taxes on that, but that's not bad on a $12.50 investment. As soon as I finish this video, I sold 2 more plush stuffed animals. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see those in my next plush sold video. I make money selling Goodwill items online, including plush stuffed animals, and you can too. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I will link another What Sold Plush video here. Continue watching.